Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Cardano's native token ADA, just doing some technical analysis and taking a look at where the price could actually go over the next few weeks, given that we've got this decent move to the upside since March 17th. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. And on top of that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure to join our Telegram channel and let's get into this one. Now, we all know that since the beginning of September of last year, since September of 2021, Cardano has been in this continuous and dominant downtrend, and the price has been doing nothing other than trending down, going from our all-time high at 3.16 bucks to our local bottom in here at 75 cents. Now, since hitting this local bottom, Cardano hasn't been doing that bad. I mean, we've got our first move to the upside towards this $1 resistance, which was our long-term support throughout our entire bullish phase, and sadly for us, we got rejected from it. Cardano then decided to retest this $1 resistance back in here, and luckily for us, we managed to go up high. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending Indicator on the daily time frame, we can see that both the blue LSMA and red RSI went above this mid-yellow line on the 17th and 18th of March, triggering calls for an upward pressure, because we know that when the blue LSMA and red RSI go above this mid-yellow line, bulls have control, and when the blue LSMA and red RSI go below this median line, we have a bearish trend. Now they are above this median line, meaning that we have a bullish momentum and a bullish trend, and the price ended up going up by almost 40% in a matter of a week. And look, as long as both these lines are trending up, things will remain in favor of the bulls. However, you have to keep in mind that the green RSI is above the level of 100, indicating that we are getting overextended and that things are overheated. The price can definitely go up another 5 or 10%, it's possible. I mean, we do in fact have a bullish momentum on the daily time frame that started a week ago, but this doesn't mean that I would suggest buying now. I would never buy in here because at these levels, because the risk is way too high now. You could have bought Cardano when the upward pressure just got triggered and you would already be up 35 or 40%. Now, moving on to the 3 days time frame, and this is where things get more exciting. You can see that the red RSI and blue LSMA are technically speaking still below the mid-yellow line. Now, the red RSI, which is responsible for triggering either the upward or downward pressure, is trying to get up high, and if that happens and the blue LSMA follows it within the next days, like it did in here, then the bull run will prevail for Cardano. You can see that since September of last year, we have been going down, and we knew it from our indicator. Red RSI was trending down and the price was just following it. And although we got these upside moves, although we got these decent moves to the upside that were brief, we didn't really get excited because our blue LSMA and red RSI weren't up high. They weren't above the level of 50 to sustain the upward pressure. If you are a Cardano holder, your hope is that these lines just keep trending up, and if they don't, then this will end up being another exit window for holders like the one we hit in here, or this one, where people that don't want to hold Cardano anymore in their portfolio will just exit it. I don't know if this is another exit window, to be honest, but what I can say with confidence is that there will most certainly be a retest of this $1 support. I mean, the price can do something like this where it just keeps trending up forever. It doesn't work like that. And so sooner or later, this $1 support will prove if this move is really the start of a shift in the trend from bearish to bullish, or if this is simply another bull trap with Cardano. Also, if we take a look at the ADA liquidation map, and this is also another tool to understand where the market might be heading next, and so let me explain how this works. The horizontal axis represents a range of prices, and the vertical axis the amount of money to be liquidated in case the asset reaches the price point. The taller the column is, the more money to be liquidated, and you can see that we have a lot of spikes in here below $1, meaning that the value of money that could be liquidated if we go down is way higher than the amount of money to be liquidated when the price goes up. I mean, there is a small number of shorts in comparison to longs, and so the price usually ends up going against the general public, and so I would be cautious, as we might see a move down in the next week or possibly this weekend to liquidate some of the crazy high leveraged long positions. Of course, this is not a general rule. This may not happen. The price might continue going up, but I would still be cautious as longs are getting out of control. That was about it, guys, for ADA today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you feel comfortable doing so. It helps us so much with the algorithm. Have a nice day and peace.